The primary role of Anti-Narcotics Force Organization is to combat and control the illicit drug trade. This involves a multifaceted approach including drug supply reduction, drug demand reduction, international cooperation. The subcategories Anti-Narcotics Force also look after are enforcement, interdiction, assets and finance investigation, treatment and rehabilitation, and policy advocacy. If we talk about the history of Anti-Narcotics Force, Pakistan Narcotics Board was set up in 1957 in order to fulfill Pakistan's obligation under the International Opium Convention of 1925. Pakistan Narcotics Board comprised representatives from the provisional governments and some federal ministries. That Pakistan ratified the Single Convention on Narcotics Drugs 1967 on 15th of August. Pakistan Narcotics Control Board was established in 1973 with 5 regional directorates. In response to UN Convention on Narcotics Control with the mandate to combat narcotics in the country. The board functioned as an attached department of Ministry of Interior till 1989. Narcotics Control Division was established and the board became its attached department. Anti-Narcotics Task Force comprising 388 all ranks from Pakistan Army was established in December 1991 as an attached department of NCD. Anti-Narcotics Force was raised on 21 Feb 1995 by merging Anti-Narcotics Task Force and Pakistan Narcotics Control Board. The total personnel of ANF is 3,221, from which 2,512 are operational. As we know, ANF is a law enforcement agency. Its headquarters resides in Rawalpindi, Islamabad, working through 5 RDs in all over Pakistan, in which RD Punjab, RD Sindh, RD KPK, RD Balochistan, and Coastal RD are included. Anti-Narcotics Force also have police stations on different locations in which airport deaths, dry seaports deaths, and 7 border crossing points are included as well. Anti-Narcotics Force is playing a crucial role in curbing drug menace from all over Pakistan. That is why Pakistan is enjoying poppy-free status since 2001. Enforcement seizures are a cornerstone of an anti-narcotics force mission. It involves the practical implementation of laws and measures to combat drug-related activities. This includes arrests, raids, and other operations to apprehend individuals involved in drugs trafficking. Enforcement actions serves as a deterrent, disrupting criminal networks and contribute to maintaining public safety. Coordinated enforcement efforts, both domestically and through international collaboration, are essential for the success of an anti-narcotics force in curbing the production, trafficking, and distribution of illegal narcotics. If we talk about enforcement remarkable success as its special focus on drug supply reduction resulted into astounding achievement in the form of highest ever seizures since 1995. In 2023, Anti-Narcotics Force seized a record 622 metric tons of narcotics and precursors. It is also a responsibility of enforcement to burn drugs from their respective RDs once a year, to send a strong message to the drug traffickers that any such attempts would be dealt with iron hands. However, ANF has always committed to its motto, One Nation, One Destination, Drug-Free Pakistan. Within the last year, RD Sindh and RD Balochistan independently conducted a drug burning ceremony where 100 metric ton drugs were destroyed. Furthermore, drugs through railways and motorways were also focused to accrue maximum gains in counter-narcotics effort. Besides record-breaking seizures, ANF also arrested 1,854 persons involved in drug trafficking, including 64 foreigners. Moreover, ANF maintains its presence at entry-exit points including airports, seaports, and border terminals, along with inland deployment. 341 thwarted attempts of drug trafficking at the airports with recovery of 422 kgs of various drugs. In this regard, 405 drugs mules were arrested. ANF also intercepted 235 parcels with drugs concealed in various items. Where anti-narcotics force is controlling drug supply reduction, it is also promoting drug demand reduction through different advocacy and awareness initiatives to engage the key stakeholders. In addition to provision of quality of treatment and rehabilitation services at ANF purpose-built facilities, and to remind you, this is all free of cost. During the year 2023, Anti-Narcotics Force conducted total of 14,784 anti-drug awareness raising activities through headquarters and respective regional directorates. These versatile activities include seminars, lectures, awareness walks, trainings, internship programs, sports activities, rallies, tableaus, advertisement in print and electronic media, social media campaigns, and distribution of information material. The purpose of these activities is to create awareness among the general public about the hazards of drugs use and equip the stakeholders with knowledge and interventions to prevent them from the menace of drugs. Moreover, Anti-Narcotics Force also recording video messages of different individuals from different platforms for social media awareness campaigns. The purpose of these messages is to propagate motivation and sensitize the audience about the menace of drugs prevailing in the society.
In addition, a melody was also produced and released by Anti-Narcotics Force at the opening ceremony of Chal Maksi Jeep Rally at Karachi, sung by famous singer Shan Khan. The song not only portrays the operational achievements of Force but also to advocate prevention from drug use.
ANF radio program Zindagi Se Pyar is also going to broadcast with the collaboration of National Highways and Motorway Police through FM 95. The program will provide a very effective forum to engage numerous individuals from versatile social and geographical backgrounds, with intent to keep the listeners updated and to make them aware about the consequences of drug use. International cooperation plays a crucial role in the effective of Anti-Narcotics Force. It enables the sharing of intelligence, resources, and expertise among stakeholders, fostering a coordinated approach to combating the global drug trade. Joint efforts help address transitional challenges, disrupt supply capacity, ultimately contributing to a more comprehensive and impactful response to the complex issues of narcotics trafficking. If we talk about international cooperation of Anti-Narcotics Force Pakistan, successfully engaged with senior counter-narcotics leadership and officials of various partner countries. The officials' engagement were held with USA, UK, China, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Iran. In addition, regular interactions were also made with country representatives of international drug-related organizations and drug liaison officers of partner countries based in Pakistan. If we talk about assets and finance investigation, it is integral to the success of anti-narcotics effort. Tracking and disrupting the financial flow of drug trafficking organizations can severely impact their operations. Financial loss to the drug traffickers is a very effective way to curb the menace of drugs. Also, it cuts off the supply chain that discourages the illicit drug traffickers from doing such inhuman business. Al-Nisa Forum was established at ANF headquarters, inaugurated on International Women's Day, 8 March 2023. It was created to promote the ideals of ANF Gender Strategy and Advocacy Plan 2022 to 2027. Al-Nisa Forum is one of the landmark initiatives undertaken by Anti-Narcotics Force for women's empowerment, mainstreaming, strengthening, and the gender-responsive work environment. Anti-Narcotics Force Academy Islamabad, being a center of excellence at national and regional level, and is fully committed to provide quality training to the officers and soldiers of not only ANF but other law enforcement agencies of Pakistan. Besides having an active training collaboration with many countries around the globe, the training provides in the academy covers all spectrums of narcotics law enforcement, including counter-narcotics operations, international cooperations, and preventions. 6 months basic training of new inductees comprising deputy directors, assistant directors, sub-inspectors, assistant sub-inspectors and constables, was conducted at ANFA. During the basic course in 2023, 129 officers and officials including 6 females were trained. A number of international delegates including DLOs of various countries, parents of passed out trainees, heads of different departments and senior leaderships of anti-narcotics force witnessed the event. Anti-narcotics force takes pride in supreme sacrifices of our Shuhada, who continue to be a source of inspiration for the organization and the country. 23. ANF Shuhada Remembrance of Dignified Sacrifices in War Against Drug Trafficking and Relation with Next of Kins of Shuhada is provision of support and relief to their families through ANF Central Shuhada Cell, established at Headquarter ANF.
One nation, one destination, drug-free Pakistan.